Hi, I'm Tom Evans, and this is That Stuff Abroad! Welcome to the Ionian Sea Hotel, Villas, Aqua Park, everything else, whatever you want to call it, resort. So this is your main entrance. Your coach, as you've just seen, then basically rolls up here, you come through here, and here's your main entrance. Everything. You've got your resort here, you come straight in here, and this is where your main reception is. So, basically come through here, check in just here, and then you've got your shop just over here. Seating area, holiday information just here. When you come around, go here, and this is where you walk towards your main pools. Right, swimming pool area. You've got this very deadly slide and a very shallow pool here, which is crazy. Going straight up here is where the snack bar is. This is your snack bar. You basically have to pick items from a man who's there, and here's your ice cream. You can select your own ice cream, and that's about it. So yeah. Straight there is the main restaurant. All the seating in here.
Sorry.
And then you got your pool here, which seems average, but it's at 2.6 meters. So very deep at that end. Same with this one, this is 2.5. So regularly deep, but these are your main pools. And then you've got your pool bar just there. And that is your main pool area slash bar slash everything. Restaurant, the area. So yeah, I will show you how deep this pool is by getting in now. After leaving the main pool area, travel down here, and you've got the play park for the children. So you've got a little gym area with gym equipment in there. So you have your main park type of bits and pieces all around here. They claim to have an outside gym, opening times 10 till 7, on request at reception. However, I've never seen one person request for this place to be open, so I don't know if it's used or not. Now this is meant to be your kids club, but I've only seen some people sat out here, but I've not actually seen kids club itself open yet, so also not sure if this is something that happens. Coming out of the reception area, however, if you follow this way, it takes you to all the other main accommodations. You've got your little rooms, so I'm assuming it's like the hotel section, then you've got the chalet section over here, etc. So there's multiple different bits and pieces around here. As I said, follow this way. Accommodation wise, you could say we've got a chalet, I guess. So as you come in, you've got your main door here, which is about to close. Then you put your little key in here. This basically controls all your electric. Here's your simple bathroom, so shower room, toilet, sink, etc. You've got a little fridge to the side there. You've got your main cupboards and all that. There's a safe, but however you need to pay €10 to activate the safe, basically. Few cupboards there. We've moved the bed, obviously little baby there, hello baby, and so that's your main room. If you come straight out here, here's your little balcony area that you can chill on. The birds are lovely, they just don't stop. Then you've got your stairs. However, if you've got little ones, please definitely make sure you keep an eye on them, because these stairs are not the safest of stairs that I've noticed. There is an aircon system there, however, the aircon system is not great enough for upstairs, so therefore they're providing a fan for the rest of the room. So there's a couple of beds here, then you've got a cupboard, you've got 2 TVs, and yeah, this is the main room. All in all, it's not a shabby room, to be honest. Following this sign here will take you down here to the beach. So it's only about less than a 5-minute walk down this way. Also, your gardening entertainment is literally just down here. Little football pitch to play a bit of football. The spa here, it's not really advertised that well, but there is a spa. Right, up here into the evening entertainment. And leaving the entertainment, like I said, following down here also takes you to your Aqua Park. Now, if you pay for all inclusive, etc., it is part of the Aqua Park. Sorry, let me start again. If you pay for the Aqua Park, it's part of the all-inclusive, and you can go straight in here, which is 10 till 6. So just through here. This is your main Aqua Park area. This is the bar you have to pay for, but if you're all inclusive, there is a bar literally there, and that's for you. Obviously you have a total of 5 different slides here, water fountains, and the pool is slightly shallower here than usual. So, yeah. They're coming from here. Got a little restaurant here, which I've also not seen anyone in. Just there. As I said, follow the route down there and I'll take you to the beach. And as you can see, the beach is literally just here. So, not too much of a trek. That's a little harbour over there, as you can see. Lovely little view of everything. Thanks for checking out the video. If there's anything anyone needs to know, just drop a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as. Cheers anyway, bye!